Hello, Jane Cleland here. Organizational tip. How do I keep track of all the details? Oh, it's a huge thing. And I came up with an idea that has worked beautifully for me. At the end of my working copy of whatever manuscript I'm working on, I create a heading called plot threads. And then I have a numbered list. So if, for example, my detective Josie Prescott, has asked her ally, the newspaper reporter, Wes Smith, to see if he can find out anything about Charlie. I'll put in the plot thread, Josie asked Wes to find out about Charlie. Now, that may be the first thing I put on my plot thread list, or it may be by the time I'm at this point in the novel, it's number 16 or number 60. Doesn't matter as long as it's on my list. When I come back to it, if I've remembered it, I will eventually go through my list of plot threads and say, oh, Wes got back to her about that, and I can delete it. I look at it periodically, and oh boy, I'm 5 chapters later on, maybe Wes better have gotten back to Josie. Here's what I found, or I couldn't find anything. It's not the content, it is the detail that I don't want to lose track of that thread. So once I address it, it gets deleted. And I've got to tell you, one of my pleasures in writing a book is that by the end, all of my plot threads have been deleted. And then I delete the term plot thread, and I'm closer to the end. It's an idea that has worked beautifully for me for years. Might work for you. Good luck with it.